Say like that. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namaha Panini Katyayana Patanjalibhyaha Shabda Vidya Sampradaya Kartrubhyo Vamsha Rishibhyo Mahadbhyo Munibhyo Gurubhyaha Keyurana Vibhushayanti Purusham Harana Chandrojvala Na snanam na vilepanam na kusumam Na lankrita murdhaja Vanyeka samalankaroti purusham Ya samskrita dharyate Kshiyante khalu bhushanani satatam Vagbhushanam bhushanam. Well, in the journey of our Sanskrit teaching classes, we are on the 13th class today on Abhyasa number 48, Astachatvarimshaha Abhyasaha. So far we have had a variety of exercises in the Prathama Vibhakti of masculine nouns, feminine nouns, neuter nouns, Pullinga Shabdas, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabdas, Akaranta, and Etad pronoun, this pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, that pronoun, tat pronoun, interrogative pronoun, kim. All these we have seen in the three genders, of course in the number Prathama, Ekavachana, and also Prathama, Dvitiya, we have seen some. Today we are going to have some Abhyasa on this page 105, and looking at the picture, you are supposed to fill in the blanks, and give the appropriate verb looking at the picture. So Harinau, Kim Kurvataha. What are the deer doing there? They are running. So Harinau Dhavataha. So you are supposed to give the verb there suitable. Harinau Dhavataha. Vanarau Arohataha. This is Dvivachana. Both are in Dvivachana. The lesson is meant for using the verbs here. Balakau Kim Kurvataha. Gacchataha. Balakau Gacchataha. Looking at the picture, you have to supply the verb. Balau Kim Kurvataha tatra. Pashyataha. They are watching the television. Balau Duradarshanam Pashyataha. Balika Patati. Balika Patati. Fifth one. Sixth one. Rugnaha. Diseased person. What is he doing? Rugnaha? Sitting. Upavishati. Rugnaha Upavishati. Balakau. Two boys are playing there. So what is the verb you pick up? Krida. Kridataha. Balakau Kridataha. Chatrau Namataha. Two students are saluting. Chatrau Namataha. So here mostly we are done up to this, the dual number of the verb. Taha taha taha, which is ending in Harinau Dhavataha, Vanarau Arohataha, Balakau Gacchataha, Balau Pashyataha, Balika is singular, this one, Patati, Rugnaha Upavishati, Balakau again Vivachana, Kridataha, Chatrau Namataha. Balika in the ninth picture, Gayati. Balika Gayati, a girl is singing. Phale Patataha. Two fruits are falling there. You can watch the picture closely. Phale, and also the noun, neuter noun, this is phalam, phale, phalani, phale, patataha. Tarunau, two young men, what are they doing? Khadataha. Tarunau khadataha. Krushakaha karshati is tilling the ground, is forming, doing the forming. Krushakaha karshati. 13th one, pushpani vikasanti. These verbs are all supplied in the below of the bottom of the page. Pushpani vikasanti. Dhanikaha, we have already done this. Yachati, a rich man is giving money to somebody. Dhanikaha yachati. Simhau, which verb you pick up? Garjata, first verb. Simhau garjataha. Garjati, garjataha, garjanti. Simhaha, simhau, simhaha. Tarunaha, young men are taranti, they are swimming. Young men swim. So this way, this is nothing but identification of the pictures and thereby supplying the verb as per the picture. If the picture is singular, if the picture is masculine, or if the picture is neuter, so you supply the verb. Verb does not change with the gender of the noun. Please bear it in mind. Verbs do not change with the gender of the nouns, pictures given here. Whether it is harinau, whether it is pushpani, verb is the same. Pushpani vikasanti. Harinaha dhavanti. So the verb has no change with the gender in English. So is in Sanskrit. But in other Indian languages, the verb has to be in agreement with the gender of the noun. Page 106. Next Abhyasa 49. Do you think we need to write this? It's very simple, they can do it. Since all the verbs are given here, viewers, you can just look down and pick up the right verb from the bottom of the page on 105. So we move to next exercise, Vachananugunam Kartru Kriya Lekhanam. Now, depending on the number of the subject given on this page 106, you look at the pictures and write the suitable numbers of the subject and verb. Now, one example is given here, very simple exercise. Balakau, the clue is also given, patati you have to use. So, since there are two boys, Balakau, patataha, very simple. Now, likati is given, and what are the two boys doing? Balakau likhataha. Then two people are doing the worship. So bhaktau archataha. Bhaktaha bhaktau archataha. Two devotees worship. Here gayakaha, a singer, is singing. Gayati. So Gayakaha Gayati or Manushyaha Gayati, Bhaktaha Gayati, we can do anything. Then the fourth is over, fifth one. Balakaha Khadanti, boys are eating. Balakaha Khadanti. Balakaha, same subject, since there are four boys, they are playing. Balakaha kridanti. Then subject changes here, number is singular. Balakaha arohati is climbing the stair. Tarunaha, young man, tarati. Young man is swimming. Tarunaha tarati. Then down, ninth one. Tarunau, two young men are running. Tarunau dhāvataha. Dhāvati, you put it in Vivachan. Dhāvataha. Then, what is the picture? Who is drinking? Bhikshu. This word I think has come. Mahila, or you can say Mahila Pibati. A lady is drinking. Is it Mahila? Mahila what? not clear. Sevaka, it looks like some poor man, it looks like. Sevakaha pibati. Or Manusha, if you are in doubt, then use just a common noun. Manushyaha pibati. Man is drinking. Then Balakaha namati. Balakaha namati. We have already come across this 12th one several times. Dhanikaha yachati. So this is a very simple exercise on page 106, Abhyasa 49. Moving on to the next Abhyasa 50. Here you are supposed to make sentences according to the example given there. So please watch on page 107. Eshaha mayuraha asti. Etau mayurau staha. Ete mayuraha santi. Here you are learning the pronoun and also the new verb, auxiliary verb. Asti. Eshaha is pronoun. Asti is a verb. Eshaha mayuraha asti. This is a peacock. Etau mayurau staha. These two are peacocks. Staha is in dual number. Ete mayuraha santi. These are the peacocks. Now watch the change of eshaha into etau and ete. That is the ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana. Eshaha, etau, ete. Asti, staha, santi. This is the study, and like that you move on with the 5 sentences given below. Mayuraha nrutyati. Mayurau nrutyataha. Mayuraha nrutyanti. You are deriving the verb as per the subjective in singular, dual and plural. Now let us do. Eshaha vanara asti. Instead of mayuraha, here is vanaraha is given. This is a monkey. Then how do you say in the next sentence? Dual number. Etau vanarau. Etau vanarau staha. So etau vanarau staha. These two are monkeys. Then ete vanaraha santi. These are the monkeys. Ete vanaraha santi. Vanaraha arohati. Vanarau arohataha. Vanaraha arohanti. So in one place the subject is given and you derive it in vivachana and bahuvachana, dual and plural. So vanaraha arohati, vanarau arohataha, vanaraha arohanti. Then the second sentence. Eshaha hamsaha asti. Eshaha hamsaha asti. This is a swan. Etau hamsau staha. Etau hamsau staha. Okay. Then the plural of it. Ete hamsaha santi. Santi for plural. Asti santi is are. In between we have the staha. Hamsaha tarati. Tarati here means swims. A swan is swimming or swims. Hamsau tarataha. Hamsaha taranti. So we complete that entire exercise given for you. Then the third one. Eshaha simhaha asti. Etau simhau staha. Ete simhaha santi. It's very, very comfortable for any beginner to do this exercise, watching from the first already given sentence example. So moving to the second half of this third sentence. Simhaha garjati. Simhau garjataha. Simhaha garjanti. Simhaha garjati. Simhau garjataha. Simhaha garjanti. Fourth one. Eshaha bhaktaha asti. This is a devotee. This is a devotee. Etau bhaktau staha. Etau bhaktau staha. Ete bhaktaha santi. Then the other way of doing. Bhaktaha bhajati. Bhaktau bhajataha. Bhaktaha bhajanti. Then the fifth one. Esha chhatraha asti. This is a student. Etau chhatrau staha. These two are students. Ete chhatraha santi. These are students. Chhatraha patati. Chhatrau patataha. Chhatraha patanti. So we have done with a very medium pace not taken much, not in a haphazard way. So this exercise should not have any problem for you to do, all the viewers and the learners in the beginning. Then after this exercise, 50th exercise, we are moving to the next exercise wherein you are introduced to Strilinga Shabda, a feminine word, Prathama Purushasya Strilingena Kartrupadena Saha Vartamana Kale Kriya Prayogaha. So along with the feminine subject, you are also learning the present tense usage. So one example is given here. In the page, previous page, we have learned Eshaha, Etau, Eti, the masculine. Now in this, we are given the same in feminine gender. Eshaha becomes Esha, Etau becomes Ete, Ete masculine becomes Etaha. We will write after a little later, we will write it on the board. Now Balika, instead of the subject there being Balakaha, here we have taken Balika, which is feminine. But it doesn't matter, just now I told you, with the change in the gender of the noun, the verb does not change. So Esha Balika Asti, this is a girl. Then the plural of this is Ete Balike Staha. This Ete was in the previous page, was the plural in masculine gender. Eshaha, Etau, Eti. What is plural in the masculine becomes a dual in feminine and neuter also. Later, we will see that. Esha Balika Asti, Ete Balike Staha, Etaha Balikaha Santi. These are the girls. Instead of saying Ete, we are saying Etaha Balikaha Santi. Santi is not changing, Staha is not changing, Asti doesn't change also with the feminine noun. So Balika Pashyati, Balike Pashyataha, Balikaha Pashyanti. You are once again learning from this how is the Balika Shabda derived in Prathama Vibhakti, nominative singular, nominative dual and plural nominative case. Balika, Balike, Balikaha. Balika Pashyati, Balike Pashyataha, Balikaha Pashyanti. Nari Pashyati, okay. Sita Pashyati, Site Pashyataha, Sitaha Pashyanti. So any feminine noun you can take up. Then the number 1, only 5 sentences to done here. Esha Vruddha Asti. What does this mean? Esha Vruddha Asti. This is an old woman. This is an old woman. Then we do it in the dual and plural as in the above sentences. Ete Vruddhe Staha. Ete Vruddhe Staha. These two are old women. Etaha Vruddhaha Santi. That is all. Vruddha Archati. An old woman is worshipping. Vruddha Archati. Vruddhe Archataha. Vruddhaha Archanti. So you are learning the verb derivation also along with the noun. Then the second one, Esha Balika Asti, like in the example given above, this is a girl. So you say, Ete Balike Staha, oh I'm sorry, Kalika. From distance I thought it is Balika. Esha Kalika Asti, this is a bud, Ete Kalike Staha, Etaha Kalikaha Santi. These are the buds. Now Kalika Vikasati. So since it's a bird, it blossoms. Kalika Vikasati, Kalike Vikasataha, Kalikaha Vikasanti. So we are learning Vikasati, Vikasataha, Vikasanti. Archati, Archataha in the previous one, Archanti. Third one, Esha Mahila Asti. This is a lady. This is a lady, Mahila. Ete Mahile Staha, Mahile Staha. Etaha Mahilaha Santi. That is done. Then Mahila Nrutyati. This lady dances. Mahila Nrutyati. Mahile Nrutyataha. Mahilaha Nrutyanti. So we have done it in Nrutyati, Nrutyataha, Nrutyanti. Mahila Nrutyati, Mahile Nrutyataha, Mahilaha Nrutyanti. Fourth one. Esha lekhika asti. This is a pen. Lekhika being a pen. Now a neuter, what do you call it? An object is here, not an inanimate object. Pen. Esha lekhika asti. This is a pen. Ete lekhike staha. These are two pens. Etaha lekikaha santi. These are pens. Lekhika likati. Pen writes. Lekhike likataha. Two pens write. Lekhikaha likhanti. Lekhikaha likhanti. Pens write. And to the final fifth sentence. Esha chhatra asti. This is a girl student. Ete chhatre staha. Etaha chhatraha santi. Esha chhatra asti. Ete chhatre staha. Etaha chhatraha santi. Now in the final plural of etaha chhatraha santi, the feminine plural, masculine plural look alike. Chhatraha chatrau chatraha. Chhatra chhatre chhatraha. But then we will be guided by the pronoun. Etaha chatraha, when I say these girl students. If I say ete chatraha, these boy students. So that is the clue there. Chhatra gayati, girl student sings. Chhatre gayataha. Chhatraha gayanti. So we are very comfortably, we could do this with no hitch whatsoever. And this is where we learnt the feminine akaranta strilinga shabda like bala, chhatra, balika, kalika, mahila, lekhika, etc. Moving on to the next page, page 52, 109, Abhyasa 52, Prathama Purushasya Vividha Kartrupadaihi Saha Vartamana Kale Kriya Prayoga. Now you are changing the number and rewriting the sentences in this exercise, in this Abhyasa 52. Now what is to be done, we will see. Udaharana is given here. Eshaha simhaha asti. You make it dvivachana, you also make it bahuvachana. Like in the previous, immediate previous page, then simhaha brahmati, you make it dvivachana and also plural, bahuvachana. So let's start with Eshaha simhaha asti. This is a lion. We have done it already in the previous page. Etau, how would you convert? Etau simhau staha. Etau simhau staha. Ete simhaha santi. So simhaha brahmati, simhau brahmataha, simhaha brahmanti. So it should not be a problem for the viewers and learners. Eshaha simhaha asti is already given. You convert the entire sentence into dual number and plural number. Esha goes into dvivachana as etau in masculine gender. Simhaha becomes simhau. Asti becomes staha. So eshaha etau simhau staha. Ete simhaha santi. Simhaha brahmati. Simhau brahmataha. Simhaha brahmanti. So I am going a bit slow here so that there should be no confusion. Second sentence, etat pushpam asti. What is the gender here? You think all genders are mixed up here. It is neuter, napumsakalinga. Now from masculine we have come to the napumsaka shabda. Etat pushpam asti. This is a flower. Pushpam is a neuter noun. So remember how a neuter noun is derived in the other two numbers. Etat, ete, etani. So use that. Ete pushpe, pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Etat, ete, etani. That is the derivation. Ete pushpe staha. Ete pushpe staha. Etani pushpani santi. Asti staha santi is not changing at all. So pushpam vikasati. Pushpe vikasataha. Pushpani vikasanti. Then third one is masculine again. Eshaha vrikshaha asti. This is a tree. This is a tree. Etau vrukshau stah ete vrikshaah santi. Masculine. Ete vrikshaah santi. We will write out after that. Then the next one is vrikshaah phalati, vrikshau phalatah, vrikshaah phalanti. Then the fourth one, etat mitram asti. Now watch here, the word mitram is neuter. It is napumsakalinga in Sanskrit, but it refers to a friend. It means a friend. It does not mean a neuter friend. The gender of the word mitra is neuter and it means a friend, a masculine friend only. It does not mean a neuter friend. We should not attach the gender of the word to the person indicated. Understand? So, etat mitram asti. This is a friend. This is my etat mama mitram asti. If I say a complete sentence, etat mama mitram asti. This is my friend. So, you have to learn here the derivation of etat in neuter along with mitram. So, etat becomes ete mitre staha. Ete mitre staha. These two are friends. Etani mitrani santi. Mitram prasidati. Mitram prasidati. Friend is pleased. Mitre prasidataha. Mitre prasidataha. Mitrani prasidanti. Friends are pleased. A friend is pleased. Two friends are pleased and friends are pleased. So prasidana is pleasing. Eshaha deepaha asti. So what is the gender coming up here? Again masculine. Pullinga shabda. Deepa, lamp is pullinga in Sanskrit. Eshaha deepaha asti. This is a lamp. Etau deepau staha. Ete deepaga. Deepa eshaha etau ete. Ete deepaha santi. These are the lamps. Deepaha jvalati. A lamp burns. Deepau jvalataha. Deepaha jvalanti. Deepaha jvalati. Deepau jvalataha. Deepaha jvalanti. So then sixth one, gender change. Esha sarika asti. Sarika is a name of a woman. Sarika. This is Sarika. Ete sarike staha. Etaha sarikaha santi. Sarika upavishati. A lady by name Sarika is sitting. Upavishati. Sarike upavishataha. Two women by name Sarika are sitting. Sarikaha upavishanti. Upavisha to sit. Seventh one. Esha gruhini asti. Gruhini meaning housewife, homemaker. Esha gruhini asti. This is a homemaker. Ete gruhinyau. Now gruhini, watch. Gruhini is not akaranta strilinga. It is ikaranta strilinga. We have already seen. Esha gruhini asti. Ete gruhinyau staha. Etaha gruhinyah santi. Gruhini, gruhinyau, gruhinyah. Esha, ete, etaha. Astistaha santi. Don't change. Gruhini pachati. A householder or a homemaker cooks. Gruhini pachati. Gruhinyau pachataha. Gruhinyah pachanti. So that is how the derivation gets completed. Etat yanam asti. What is the gender here? Napumsakalinga, neuter. Etat yanam asti. This is a vehicle. Ete yane staha. Etani yanani santi. Etat yanam asti. Ete yane staha. Etani yanani santi. Yanam chalati. A vehicle moves. Yane chalataha. Yanani chalanti. So this way, this exercise a bit here and there, we'll do it for the sake of the viewers. Duster akkadu. You please tell me one. एषः सिंहः अस्ति. You read one, I will write. This is already given. Then एतौ सिंहौ स्तः सिंहाः सन्ति. सिंहः भ्रमति. सिंहौ भ्रमति, सिंहौ भ्रमतः, सिंहाः भ्रमन्ति. This is done. Next one, second one. एतत् पुष्पम् So here when vowel comes, you have to write out this pushpam asti. Then ete pushpe stah. Etani santi. Watch, the verb is always same for all the subjects. Now pushpam vikasati. पुष्पे विकसतः. विकसतः. This is dual number. पुष्पाणि. Oh. पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति. Yes, next third one. एषः वृक्षः अस्ति. एतौ वृक्षौ स्तः. Good. एते वृक्षाः सन्ति. एते वृक्षाः सन्ति. वृक्षः फलति. वृक्षौ फलतः. वृक्षाः फलन्ति. एतत् मित्रम् अस्ति. मित्रम् अस्ति. एते मित्रे स्तः. एतानि मित्राणि सन्ति. These are friends. Yes. And the last one.
Mitram prasidati.
Oh, adi kuda. Mitram prasidati.
Mitre prasidatah.
Mitre prasidatah. Mitrani prasidanti. Mitrani prasidanti. I think this is sufficient to show them. I think we need not ready. So this is how the three genders have to be worked out. One masculine in the beginning, simhaha masculine. I have not written the visarga, and masculine followed by neuter, and then masculine, then neuter, and then there is a feminine also. Feminine word is given later. So you can work out, no problem. And next we go to the Prathamaha Stabakaha. Shashtaha Pataha. We are going to 1.6. Here you are introduced to the personal pronouns. After studying the pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, this and that, and interrogative, you are introduced here to the personal pronouns, that is I and you and I, on this page, 110, page number. Yeah. So please watch and read carefully. Aham adhyapakaha. Aham adhyapakaha. You know the meaning of adhyapaka. I am a teacher. Aham stands for I. Tvam chhatraha. Tvam, which is there in Old English as thou. Thou and you. Thou is singular. You is plural in English. And you is plural in also Sanskrit. We will see that later. Aham vruddhaha. I am an old man. Tvam balaha. You are a boy. Aham acharyaha. Tvam shishyaha. So aham tvam. The introduction of aham and tvam. Aham myself. Tvam you. Aham nrupaha. Tvam sevakaha. Aham kumbhakaraha. I am a potter. Tvam swarnakaraha. You are a goldsmith. Aham vaidyaha. I am a doctor. Tvam rugnaha. You are a patient. Aham bhaktaha. I am a devotee. Tvam devaha. You are a god. Aham arakshakaha. I am a arakshaka. What do you say? God, bodyguard or sentry. I am a sentry. I am a protector, a police you can say. Tvam chauraha. You are a thief. Now in this two words sentence, what is understood is the verb. Verb is understood. For example, aham adhyapakaha asmi, which will be introduced later. Asmi, I am a teacher. Aham adhyapakaha asmi. Tvam chhatraha asi. Without this asi and asmi also, sentence is fully understood, and so that will be introduced a little later. So some more practice here on the other side. Aham adhyapika. I am a teacher. Tvam chhatra. You are a girl. Aham vruddha. I am an old woman. So whatever is given here in this page, the feminine version of that, it is given here. There adhyapaka was given, here adhyapika. There chhatra was given, here chhatra is given. But aham and tvam are not changed. And remember, this asmad and ishmad, I and you pronoun, personal pronouns, do not have genders. Like the etat has gender in all the three genders, it is derived. Eshaha, esha, etat. For example, here on the board, eshaha pullinga, this is neuter. Somewhere it becomes esha. Esha becomes strilinga. So this etat, eshaha, esha. This is neuter, this is masculine, this is feminine. So Saha, Tat. We have studied all this. In this pronoun there will be no Tat, Saha, Sa. We studied. Kim, Kaha, Ka. We studied this also. This is neuter, this is masculine, this is feminine. But in the asmat, in the pronoun aham, it has no genders, three genders. No neuter, no masculine, no feminine. All these are ruled out. Aham means only I. No genders. It will be same understood. So aham adhyapika, tvam chatra, aham vruddha, tvam bala, aham vaidya, aham rugna, tvam rugna, aham agraja, tvam anuja, aham janani, tvam putri, aham sthula, I am sthula. Aham sthula means I am fat. Tvam krusha, you are lean. Krusha meaning lean. And then ninth one, aham swamini, I am the owner. Tvam sevika, you are a servant. Aham gayika, I am a singer. Tvam nartaki, you are a dancer. So here in these two pages, you are simply introduced to the personal pronoun aham and tvam. Aham I and tvam is you, along with some masculine noun and feminine noun. Next page. Aham. Then you are introduced to, like in all other pronouns, three numbers are there. So here also the number will be completed. Aham, avam and vayam. Now you are going to be introduced to dual number and plural number of aham and tvam. So aham we will see ekavachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. Aham is myself, I am. Avam, we both. Vayam is we, vayam we. Aham, avam, vayam. This completes the derivation of asmat shabda, the pronoun I. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham referring to I, we both and we all. So you can see a word added up to this in the next line. Aham vaidyaha, I am a doctor. Avam vaidyau, we both are doctors. Vayam vaidya, we are all doctors, we are all physicians. So aham vaidyaha, aham chatraha, avam chatrau, vayam chatraha. Aham naraha, avam narau, vayam naraha. Anything can be there. So aham adhyapakaha, avam adhyapakau, vayam adhyapakaha. I am a teacher, we both are teachers, we are teachers. Then feminine gender. Aham adhyapika, I am a teacher, lady teacher. Avam adhyapike, we both are lady teachers. Vayam adhyapika, we are teachers. So adhyapika noun derives as per its ending. Adhyapika, adhyapike, adhyapikaha. Then aham balika, avam balike, vayam balika. I am a girl, we both are girls, we are girls. Vayam we. So remember please, aham is I, vayam is we. In between avam is there, we both. Aham, avam, vayam. This completes the prathama, the nominative case of asmat shabda. Asmat shabda is the base, asmat, the karanta. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham, avam, vayam. And with the any gender it can be used. The speaker could be of any gender. Now on the other side of the page, we continue with the same, with some more exercise. Aham swarnakaraha. So how do you fill up this second one? First three are given 5 sentences.
Avam swarnakaru.
Avam. So you have to only fill up the pronoun avam swarnakarau. We both are goldsmiths. I am a goldsmith. We both are goldsmiths. Vayam swarnakaraha. So vayam is we. You can very easily catch it in English. Vayam we, aham I, vayam we. So second sentence, aham chalakaha, avam chalakau. Avam chalakau. Chalakah driver. I am a driver. We both are drivers. Vayam chalakaha. We are drivers. Third sentence. Aham rajakaha. Avam rajakau. Vayam rajakaha. I am a washerman. We both are washermen. We are washermen. What was the fifth one? Aham sauch. No. Okay. Aham udyana palakaha. I am a gardener. Aham udyana palakaha. Avam udyana palakau. We both are gardeners. Vayam udyana palakaha. We are gardeners. So this way aham, avam, vayam learning. Then the fifth one, aham sauchikaha. Sauchika is a tailor. Avam sauchikau. Vayam sauchikaha. Sixth one, aham. Now, based on the noun given there, you have to derive the singular. Aham nyayadhishaha. Aham nyayadhishaha. Avam nyayadhishau. Vayam nyayadhishaha. Vayam nyayadhishaha, plural. Then seventh one, aham chikitsakaha. I am a doctor. Vaidyaha chikitsaka, both are used in the same sense. Avam chikitsakau. Avam chikitsakau. Vayam chikitsakaha. Aham patravahakaha. I am a postman. Aham patravahakaha. Avam patravahakau. Vayam patravahakaha. Aham gopalaha. I am by name Gopal. Avam gopalakau. Oh, this is gopalakai. I am a cowherd. I am a cow shepherd or cowherd. Avam gopalakau. Vayam gopalakaha. Aham hastipakaha. Hastipakaha already noted, na? Mahout. Elephant rider. Mahout. Aham hastipakaha. Avam hastipakau. Vayam hastipakaha. Then up to here we had the nouns in masculine gender, pullinga shabdas. Now feminine shabdas are introduced here from 11th to 20th. More. Yes?
11th one. Aham sainikaha.
One more is there, right. So 11th one is there. Aham sainikaha. I am a soldier. Avam sainikau. Vayam sainikaha. So 11 sentences are earmarked for pullinga shabdas. Now next one is coming as strilinga. Aham lekika. I am a writer. Avam lekike. Now lekika is strilinga shabda. So it derives as per its derivation. But aham, avam don't change here. So in all the three genders they are same. Aham lekika, avam lekike, vayam lekikaha. Say instead of lekika you say aham mahila, avam mahile, vayam mahila. We are women. Aham mata, avam matarau, vayam mataraha. If matru shabda is to be mata, mataru. Okay? That's. Then 13th sentence. Upacharika. Aham upacharika. I am a nurse. Avam upacharike. Be careful here. See the noun, see its gender and go with the derivation. Avam upacharike. Vayam upacharikaha. Aham sikshika. I am a lady teacher. Aham sikshika. Avam sikshike. Vayam sikshikaha. 15th, sorry. Aham balika. Aham balika. Avam balike. Vayam balikaha. We are girls. Aham nartaki. Avam nartakyau. Avam nartakyau. Vayam nartakyaha. What is the ending of this feminine noun? Ikaranta strilinga shabda. What lekika, upacharika, sikshika, etc. are akaranta strilinga. This is ikaranta. So Nartaki after 17th one. Aham Gruhini. Aham Gruhini. Avam Gruhinyau. Vayam Gruhinyah. The plural is given, you have to derive the singular and dual. Aham Nari. Avam Naryau. Vayam Naryaha. So these are all Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Aham Putri, I am a daughter. Avam Putriyau, Putriyau, Vayam Putriyaha, Putriyaha. 20th. Aham Gayika, Avam Gayike. This is Akaranta Shabda. From Ikara to Akaranta. Vayam Gayikaha. So please remember the nouns. So far Akaranta Pulling, Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Strilinga and Napumsaka Shabda we have studied. So this Abhyasa 53 with personal pronouns Aham, Avam, Vayam is done this way. Some more on the next page also. So read carefully. Aham is continuing, the personal pronoun I is continued. Aham asmi. Now, as I told you, the verb is introduced here. Avam swaha vayam smaha. So, asmi swaha smaha, which I told you in the previous page, is understood. That is introduced here. Asmi is used for first person singular number, asmi. For example, look down the same picture. Aham Vaidyaha Asmi. This is a complete sentence without any thing to be understood. Aham Vaidyaha Asmi, meaning I am a doctor. Even if I were to say Aham Vaidyaha, Asmi gets understood. It is implied. We take it for understood. We take it for granted that it is there. Aham Vaidyaha, Aham Guruhu, Aham Adhyapakaha. Asmi is mostly understood, but here is spelled out. Avam Vaidyau is itself enough. Avam Vaidyau would convey the same meaning as Avam Vaidyau Swaha. We both are doctors. Without using even Swaha and Asmi also, sentence is conveyed. Sentence meaning is conveyed in Sanskrit. It is not so in any other language. We have to spell out the verb. Vayam Vaidyaha Smaha. So how the verb is changing? You see, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. Asmi, I am. Swaha, we both are. Smaha, we all are. Is equal to ARER in English. So another sentence, Aham Adhyapakaha Asmi. I am a teacher. Avam Adhyapakau Swaha. Avam Adhyapakau Swaha. Vayam Adhyapakaha Smaha. Asmi Swaha Smaha. This is the study. Then Aham Adhyapika Asmi. I am a teacher. Avam Adhyapike Swaha. Vayam Adhyapikaha Swaha. Aham Balika Asmi. I am a girl. Avam Balike Swaha. Vayam Balikaha Smaha. We are girls. Vayam Balikaha Smaha. So here in this page 114, you are introduced to the verb, personal verb in the first person, Asmi Swaha Smaha, which is the opposite of what we learned earlier. In third person, we have Asti, Staha, Santi. We just saw this usage in third person. In first person, we are leaving the second person, will come to it. Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. A little later, second person also will be introduced. Now, this is the verb which is am, this is is in English, this is are in English, this is am in English, this is are in English, with of course dual number in between. So what would be the second person? Verb will be like this. Later, a little later it will be introduced. Asi. Oh, sorry. Asi, sthaha and stha. This will be introduced later. First person, third person, second person, first person. First and third and first are introduced so far, and that will be done. Now, what is there on page 115, Abhyasa 54? Now, again, some more exercise. I think we can do half of the page today. Aham balika asmi, avam balike swaha, vayam balikaha smaha. So, we can go rapidly. Aham chatraha asmi, then avam chatrau swaha, vayam chatraha smaha. We are students. Aham vaidyaha asmi, आवाम वैद्यौ स्वः वयं वैद्याः स्मः अहं धीरः अस्मि आवाम धीरौ स्वः वयं धीराः स्मः धीरः means a brave person. I am a brave person. अहं निपुणा अस्मि आवाम निपुणे स्वः वयं निपुणाः स्मः निपुणा means expert. I am an expert, feminine gender, Nipuna. Aham pradhyapika asmi, I am a school headmistress. Avam pradhyapike swaha, vayam pradhyapikaha smaha. Okay? Seventh one. Aham gruhini asmi, avam gruhinyau swaha, vayam gruhinyaha smaha. Aham chalakah asmi, I am a driver. Avam chalakau swaha, vayam chalakaha smaha. So watch the noun. If it is masculine, derive it as masculine. Feminine in a feminine way. Ninth one. Aham samshodhakah asmi. Aham samshodhakah asmi. I am a researcher. Avam samshodhakau swaha vayam samshodhakaah smaha. And the 10th one. Aham adhyapakah asmi avam adhyapakau swaha vayam adhyapakaah smaha. So this is a simple practice of learning aham, asmi, swaha, smaha. And of course aham, avam, vayam also along with that. These are the verbs matching with that. Aham, asmi, avam, etc. So, if you take this later, what is the pronoun going with this? Aham, aham, avam, vayam. Aham goes with this with this, and this with this. And what are the pronouns going with this? Saha or sa for this, tau or te, for santi you get te or ta in both the genders. Matching pronouns I am. Saha asti, sa asti, tau staha, te staha, te santi, taha santi. One more you can write tani also here. Neuter. Te. Here saha, sa, tat. If I use one more tat. Saha asti, sa asti, tat asti. Tau staha, te stah, te stah, te santi, taha santi, tani santi. For all this is the only verb. Asti, staha, santi. Aham, there is no gender. Aham has no gender. Here this has gender. Saha, sa, tat, tau, etc. I think so. Shubham Bhuyat.